This is Slateford Station on the Shotts Line. It lies in between Kingsnow and Haymarket. It was opened in 1848 by the Caledonian Railway. Not far from it was the junction for the Balerno Loop Line. This line served Colinton, Juniper Green, Curry and Balerno until 1943. Just to the east, there's Slateford Junction. This joins up with the old Edinburgh Suburban Line. There's also a large stabling depot nearby. To the west lies the Slateford Viaduct over the water of Leith, and lying parallel to this is the 1822 Slateford Aqueduct on the Union Canal.